Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Oroville, local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of expert movers will help make sure your long-distance move goes properly. Whether you're moving a single state over or you want to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. The best moving services help make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. If you're looking for a basic move or a full-service move, we provide all the options for you, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. However, when you start to notice the conveniences, the price seems well worth it. A good company can help you save time regardless of how far you're relocating. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our professional movers will offer effectiveness with each and every single move. Using a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oroville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.